we have less silence.
Visually, it's busier. Acoustically, it's busier and louder.
Sound is affecting our brainwaves, heart rate, breathing, hormone secretions, all of our physical rhythm.
The planes start at 6:03 in the morning. They usually stop at midnight, but sometimes they go to 2 or 3 in the morning. I did not sign up for this kind of noise.
Why should we always be stimulated? More and more stimulated so it reaches a fever pitch. Where do you go next?
What is central to this whole situation we live in is silence.
Silence returns us to what is real. This is how I see it.
Silence is where we hear something deeper than our chatter. Silence is where we speak something deeper than our words.
As if nobody's talking, nobody's dominating.